Hello everyone, I'm Adriano, a mechanic from the Philippines. This is an unboxing video of Autool diagnostic multimeter model number DM303. This was sent to me for unboxing and testing by Autool. As you can see, the box was damaged maybe during the inspection of the customs, but we have a great box here. We start the box. Inside you have the certificate. This is your card and the product number from Autool. That's the serial number of the multimeter. A manual, a user manual. The test lead. And the multimeter itself. I already opened the box to put the batteries on it. You need 4 AAAs, which is included on the package. To turn it on, so you have voltmeter, ammeter, ohmmeter, oscilloscope, vehicle circuit, cranking test, injector test, relay, signal output, ignition. I don't know what keying data is, but CAN data, frequency, settings, help, about the product, included is I think this is for the this battery lead is for the battery cranking test, and I have the probe. Get another test lead here that I don't know it's for. Here they put the batteries here inside, so AAA batteries. More test leads. I think this one is for the connectors. Connectors for the lights, for every electrical connectors on the car. I don't know it yet because I just unboxed this one. I would say this multimeter is made specifically for technicians, mechanics, electricians of the automotive industry. That's all I can say for now, and maybe I'll use it at work as soon as it is needed, and maybe do a video of each function in the future. I guess that's all for me. Thank you Autool for sending me this multi-tester DM303 for unboxing and future testing.